Hello students, how are you? Hope that you all are fine as well as healthy. We are learning biology, chapter number 1, and the title of chapter number 1 is the living world. Okay, so in last video lecture we have completed about the two important short note of the genus as well as species, means the genera as well as species. Okay, and today we are going to learn about the next short note like the family, then order, and then class. Okay, so before starting today's lecture, we are going to revise the last some important aspect. Okay, you know that the binomial nomenclature system. Okay, you know the scientific name of any living organism is made up of different type of two names. The first name is of the genus and second name is of the species. Okay, and you know that the Carolus Linnaeus, okay, which is known as father of taxonomy. Okay, Carolus Linnaeus gave this binomial nomenclature system, and the scientific name of any living organism is made up of the two names. The first name is of genus and second name is of the species. And some rules and regulations are also there. You know the two different type of institutes like the ICBN and ICZN. What are the full form? International Code for Botanical Nomenclature connected with the plants, while International Code for Zoological Nomenclature connected with the animals. Okay, so this is all about the last concept, and today we will talk about the one short note, which is the first short note is what? The title is family. So see here, first point, what is family? It is a group of related genus, or it is a group of connected genus. You know that if any organisms having the same characters, they are placed into the same species, the same species will form a genus, and see the group of related means connected. Okay, connected genus will be a family. Means family having what? Family having the different type of genus which are interconnected with each other, or which having the similar type of character. Okay, see second point, family having what? Family having the less number of similarities. Okay, less number of similarities, because you know that the different type of taxa are there. Okay, what is the meaning of taxa? You know, a taxa is one type of category. You know the kingdom, then sub-kingdom. Okay, this all are the one type of taxa, and the last or the lowest taxa is what? Lowest or the last taxa, which is known as the species. Okay, you know the kingdom is the largest taxa, which is known as the taxon. So see, it is also, family is also one type of taxa. So you can say that family having less number of what? Less number of similarities in their characters, compared to what? Compared to genera, genus and species, because you know that the lowest or the you can say that the smallest taxa is what? Smallest taxa is species. Okay, and second smallest will be the genus. So compared to this both taxa, family is the larger. Okay, compared to this both taxa, family is the one type of larger taxa. So we can say that yes, species having the more similarities, genus having the less similarities compared to species, and family having less number of similarities compared to genus and species. So point number 2 is very much important according to view of the MCQ. Okay, now see point number 3. What are the bases? Okay, so two different type of words are there. First one is the vegetative feature, and second one is about the reproductive features. Okay, for what? For the plants. So if you are doing the classification for the plants, then two main features are included. Okay, two main features are included for the classification of different type of animals in a particular family, and these both features are the first one is vegetative feature and second one is the reproductive features. Okay, their mechanism, their mode, okay, different type of features are there. Now see, if you talk about the exam, see first 3 points are completed. Okay, these first 3 points are of the only information. Again, we are going to revise these 3 points. What about the family? It is one type of group of connected genus. Okay, it is one type of group of related genus having what? Having less number of similarities of their characters compared to genera, genus and species. Okay, and based upon what and what? Based upon vegetative features as well as reproductive features in the case of plants. Okay, now see, we have one example. We have three different type of genera, three different type of genus. Okay, see, the first one is what? First one is Solanum, second one is Petunia, and third one is Datura. Means Datura. These three are what? These three are the different type of genera. Means genus. Means we can say that genus of all three is 100% different. Okay, this all three organism having the different genus. Okay, but we can say that. But if we talk about the family of this genus, then Solanum is put in a family which is known as Solanaceae. Okay, Petunia genus Petunia is put under the family which is known as Solanaceae, and genus Datura is put under the family which is known as Solanaceae. Means we can say that for different three type of genera, means for different three type of genus, the family will be same. Means one family having different type of genus, but this all genus are related, means connected to each other. Okay, so it is the best example. You will remember three names. We can say that Solanum, Petunia, and Datura. Again, three names: Solanum, Petunia, and Datura, both having the different type of genus, but the family of all three will be same, and the name of family is what? The name will be Solanaceae. You know the suffix and prefix. Okay, see this Se. Okay, this one is Se. Okay, so this will be used in family. Okay, you will remember Solanaceae. Se means what? Se means one type of, it is a name of family. Okay, so first example is completed. Okay, if we talk about the second example, okay, in first example we have talked about the different type of plants, and in second example we will talk about the different type of animals. So we are talking about the one genus which is known as Panthera. Okay, we are talking about the one genus which is known as Panthera. Okay, you know the Panthera having the different type of animals. See, this Panthera genus having different type of species. Like see, Panthera leo. Okay, means lion. Okay, Panthera tigris means tiger. Panthera pardus means leopard. So we have total three animals: lion, leopard, and tiger. Okay, these three organisms or animals are different, but the genus of all three is what? The genus of all three will be same. So we are talking about the Panthera genus. Okay, so first one is about the Panthera, and now see second one is what? Second one we are talking about the genus Felis. Okay, what is genus? Genus is Felis. Okay, Felis is the genus of what? Felis is the genus of different type of cat. Okay, so cat having the Felis genus. Like you can say that the genus of lion is Panthera, the genus of leopard is also same Panthera, and the genus of tiger is Panthera. While the genus of cat will be what? The genus of cat will be Felis. But we can say that this both genus number 1 and genus number 2 are included in a one family which is known as Felidae. And we can say that the common name of Felidae is known as the cat family. Okay, you are familiar with this what? Cat family. In cat family, lion, leopard, tiger, cat all are included. Okay, so we can say that the one family which is known as cat family is Felidae. Okay, Felidae having two different type of genus like Panthera and Felis. Okay, so first example. One family is Solanaceae. What is the name of family? Solanaceae. Remember, Solanaceae is one type of plant family. Again, Solanaceae is what? Solanaceae is one type of plant family, and Solanaceae having different type of genus like Solanum, Petunia, and Datura. Here we can say that cat family, which is known as Felidae. Felidae is one type of family, means cat family, having two different type of genus like Panthera and Felis. Felis means cat and Panthera means lion, leopard, and tiger. Okay, now see point number 3, very interesting point. The features or the characters of cat and dog. If we are going to talk about the characters, means we are going to do the comparison between cat and dog, then we can say that some similar characters are there and some different characters are also there. So if you are going to compare the cat and dog, then some similarities and some dissimilarities will be there. But we can say that the families of both are not the same. The family of cat and dog both are not the same. So all cats belongs to cat family, all dog belongs to dog family. So the name of cat family will be Felidae, the same name, and the name of dog family will be Canidae. Not a Canada. Canada is a name of a country which is the second largest country of this world. Okay. So two different type of names are there, Felidae and Canidae. Okay. So see total 3 examples are there and 3 different type of sentences, means 3 different type of points. Okay, having informations are there. So the question of family is completed. Again, we are going to revise this question. Family, you can say that it is one type of group of related or connected genus. Means we can say that the genus having same character will form what? Will form family. But second sentence or the point number 2 is very important. The family having less number of similarities or less number of similar characters compared to genera, means genus and species. Okay, and for plants, okay, this category on the basis of vegetative and reproductive features. So two features are there. First one is vegetative and second one is reproductive features. Now see, if we talk about the example number 1. If we talk about the one plant family, and the name of this plant family is Solanaceae. Okay, what is the name of the plant family? The name is Solanaceae. This one family having different type of genera like the Solanum, Petunia and Datura. Okay, so and here we can say that the one family which is known as Felidae. Felidae is one type of cat family, and this cat family having different type of genus like Felis and Panthera. Okay, if we compare the dog and cat, then some similar as well as some different characters are there, but the family of both are different. The family of both are not same. Okay, cat family, dog family, yes, but the scientific name, but the correct name will be the for cat family Felidae, for dog family Canidae. So 3 names are there. First one is Solanaceae, second name is Felidae, third one is Canidae. Okay, Solanaceae, one type of plant family. Canidae, okay, Canidae, one type of dog family, animal family, and Felidae, one type of cat family. So this question is completed. Now, if we talk about the next short note, okay, next example is known as what? It is known as order. See here, order is one type of higher taxonomical category. So if you start from the lower, then the lowest will be what? The lowest will be the species. Okay, then we can say that the second lowest will be the genera, this genus, then third lowest will be the family. And now see, after third, the fourth one will be the order. So we can say that order is one type of higher taxonomical categories. It is one type of higher taxa. Order is one type of higher taxa compared to genus, species and family. Okay, so first point, okay, order is one type of higher taxonomical category. It is one type of higher taxa. Point number 2, we can say that the families, the families having similar characters are placed in the same order. Okay, so order is what? Order is one type. Sorry, what is order? Order is made up of families. Order is made of different type of families which having the similar or the same characters. Okay, like family is made up of what? Made up of genus which are related or connected with each other. Okay, so same definition will be there. What about the order? Order is made up of different type of families which having the same characters. Okay, now see, if we talk about the point number 3, see, these 2 points are about only information. First point, order is one type of higher taxonomical category. Second point, okay, it is made up of family having similar characters. Now, if we talk about the examples, 2 examples are there. First example is point number 3. If we talk about the plant families, so 2 different type of names are there. First name is Convolvulaceae. Okay, see, ACE. It is a fix for family. And second one is Solanaceae. So these both are different type of plant families. Okay. but both having some similar characters. So both are included in an order which is known as polymonials. Okay, see, this both are Cornuliaceae and Solanaceae. Both are name of plant family. Okay, remember, both are name of family, while polymonials is one type of order. It means polymonials order having these both types of families. Okay. Now see, based upon what? Based upon what? Based upon the floral characters. Okay, means we can say that the floral characters, those characters of flower, like you can say that sepals and petals and androecium, gynoecium. Okay, all different type of characters according to characters. Okay, so the characters means floral characters of this both families are same. Okay, that's why these both families are included in an order which is known as polymonials. Okay. Now see, if we talk about the animals, we are talking about the one order which is known as Carnivora. Okay, here we have one name which is known as what? It is known as Carnivora. Okay, what is Carnivora? Carnivora is one type of order. Carnivora is nothing. It is what? It is one type of order. Carnivora having different type of families like Canidae and Felidae. Carnivora having different type of families. So, order Carnivora having different type of families like Felidae and Canidae. See, Felidae means what? Felidae means cat family. Okay, Felidae means you can write. Felidae means you can say that cat family, whilst Canidae means you can say that dog family. Okay, so both families are different. Okay, but still both having the same. Okay, same some characters. That's why both families are included in the same order which is known as Carnivora. Okay, you will remember Carnivora having the all carnivorous type of animals. Okay, so this all animals belongs to this family like cat. Then you can say that Canidae, like see the Panthera. Okay, lion, leopard, tiger, and cat and dog all are the one type of carnivorous animals. Okay, so this question of order is also completed. Only 4 points are there. First point, we can say that order is what? It is one type of higher taxonomical category. Means it is one type of higher taxa. You will remember order is one type of higher taxa. It is made up of the families which having the similar characters. Okay, order is made up of families which having the similar characters. For example, if you talk about the plant families, so two names are there, Cornuliaceae and Solanaceae. This both plant families having the same floral characters. That's why both are put under the order which is known as polymonials. Okay, this name is important. Polymonials. Why? If you talk about the animals, in animals, different type of families like cat family and dog family, those Felidae and Canidae are put under an order which is known as order Carnivora, which is known as order Carnivora. Okay, see two names are there. First one is polymonials and second one is Carnivora. Now, if we talk about the last portion of today's lecture, it is about the class. Okay. Now see, it is the category number 5 or the taxa number 5. Okay. After order, it is the upper taxa which is known as class. It includes the related orders. Means the orders having same characters or order or the different type of orders which are connected with each other. Okay. According to what? According to only characters. You know that the classification is 100% based upon characters. Okay. Character is the only basis for the classification. So it includes the connected or related orders. So class is made up of different type of orders. Okay, now see, we have the one name which is known as primata. Okay, primata is what? Primata is the name of order. Primata is the name of order. Okay, see animals like monkey, gorilla and beagle. These animals belongs to order what? Primata. Again, monkey, gorilla and beagle, this type of animals belongs to order Primata. While we can say that this Felidae and Canidae, this both are what? This both are one type of what? This both are one type of family. Yes or no? We can say that Felidae and Canidae, this both are what? This both are one type of family and this both belongs to order Carnivora. Okay, this both belongs to order what? This both belongs to order Carnivora. Okay, so we have two different type of order. First one is Primata and second one is Carnivora. Again, we can say that Primata having which type of animals? Primata having monkey, gorilla and gibbon. While we can say that Carnivora having the cat family and dog family. But this both different type of order belongs to one class which is known as class Mammalia. Okay, you will learn about the class Mammalia in chapter number 4. Okay. Classification of animals means animal kingdom, but here you can say that this class Mammalia having the two different type of order like Primata and the Carnivora. Remember, Carnivora means the all carnivorous animals. Okay, you know that the all carnivorous animals belongs to order Carnivora, while Primata means what? Primata means you can say that primitive type of mammals. Okay. Which type? Primitive type of mammals like see monkey, gorilla, gibbon are not a modern mammal. They are the primitive, means the initial mammals are there. Okay, and we can say that this class Mammalia having other orders. Okay, so other different type of orders are also there in this class Mammalia. Like you can say that the order Cetus means one type of aquatic mammal. Then we can say that order Chiroptera. Okay, Chiroptera means including bats like the Megachiroptera and Microchiroptera. So in this question, okay, question of class, you can say that two different type of orders are there, Primata and Carnivora, and one class is there. The name of class is class Mammalia. Okay, again we are going to revise the whole question at a glance. Okay, only names are important. See here, we can say that family having the less similarities compared to genus and species. And the two different type of dozens like vegetative and reproductive features. Okay. Now see, Solanum, Petunia, Datura, family Solanaceae. Okay. Genus Panthera, genus Felis, family Felidae. Family Felidae means cat family is 100% different from the Canidae means dog family. Order, one type of higher taxonomical category. We can say that order Polyponius. One type of plant order having this both, and here order Carnivora having this both. Carnivora is one type of animal order. Okay. If you talk about the class, then Primata is the one order, and second one is about what? Second one is about the Carnivora. Remember, Primata having monkey, gorilla, and gibbon. Okay, primitive animals are there. While you can say that Carnivora having cat as well as dog family. This both order belongs to a class which is known as class Mammalia. Okay, and this Mammalia having the other different type of orders also. So today's lecture is 100% completed. Thank you very much.